Welcome. Today is Sac Friday. You know what that means. We examined Victorinox, or one of its competitors. Today we're going to be taking on one of the newest Victorinoxes, which is the Companion Slim. This is Haku EDC. This Victorinox Slim, which is, I'm going to call it that, is really an innovative tool. While Victorinox is one of the most innovative companies in some ways. This tool is an innovation they've talked about for quite a while. They've talked about putting together a knifeless tool set. And the companion tool set seems to be the first major step in going in that direction. There are three tools in this tool set. What you have in front of you is the Victorinox Companion Slim. Then there's the Victorinox Companion Alox X, which is with scissors, and the Victorinox Alox S, which is basically Victorinox Jet Setter, but just in an Alox format. So those are the three ones that come without a knife. Please remember that the original Alox did come with a knife. And I really like the original one. I've used it quite often. It is probably very close to what I use on my desktop, generally speaking, or close when I'm by my desktop. The Victoria Alox Slim has approximately 7 tools, and I'll quickly go through them all. I'm going to start off with the bottle opener cap lifter here, and it has a slotted screwdriver, and in this little area here, I don't know if you can make it out, just let me do this. This area here, it has a wire cutter. So that in itself is 3 tools there. It has what is called a package opener. This is the best package opener that I've ever used that is not a knife. It works really well. It'll cut through plastic. It'll cut through papers. So your Amazon boxes will open easily. If you have something that is wrapped in plastic, you can use it. And at the tip here has, I think, a 3mm or 2.5mm Phillips. So that's 2 right there. And then the last one, which makes it 7, is a pair of scissors. And these are the typical scissors that you would find on a 91mm Victorinox. I'm sorry, 93mm Victorinox. Like all Victorinox scissors, they do work exceptionally well. Now, its combination of those functions and design are pretty appealing for most people. Me, it really justifies its place in your everyday carry if you're a Victorinox fan. Nonetheless, one significant limitation must be noted here. And before I do that, I'm going to talk about the elephant in the room. This does not come with a knife. That's not the thing that bothers me the most. There are situations, I know other people have them, where you can't or don't want to carry a knife with you, but you want to set up tools that look elegant and that are useful. This fits the bill for that. There's no doubt about it. I like the tool set, it's pretty decent, and the look of it is nice and non-threatening. There are other great tools out there that you can use. I know that Nextool makes some, and Roxxon will make some, along with things like the Jet Setter. But this one here might get people, but then when they realize that there's no knife, they're going to tend to let it go more times than not. There are times though when you do need to carry a knife. I'm going to make 3 suggestions based upon when I wanted to carry a knife, my 3 favorite ones to use. And I'm going to put them together by basically a price. On the low end, a nice knife to use would be the Ozark Trail knife. It's $10. It's at Walmart, so it's easy to find, it's easy to get a hold of. It is a D2 knife blade, and it's inexpensive. If for some reason you forget it, you take away your knife at TSA or some other place, some federal building, you're net out a lot of money. With the D2 blade, the way that this blade is set up and how it operates, it makes a lot of sense if you want to carry a blade. The other one, which is around 60 bucks, that I suggest that you look at, would be the Civivi Elemental 2 folding knife. Now that's a really nice knife. I like it. It does give you a lot of what you need. It is a Nitro V, so the blade's better than this D2 blade than a D2 blade is, but it also is really nice in the hand, and it's much smaller. And sitting next to the Victorinox Slim, it'll look like it fits well depending upon the color that you get. And the third one that I would suggest that you use or think about is the new Worksharp Compact. You might want to use one of the other ones, but I'm using the Compact. I like the Compact primarily because it is similarly the same size in both depth and length. The ALX one's a little bit larger, but it is that you can just put away in like a little pouch, such as one that you might want to use for carrying this ALX or carrying another knife one. I like this one, and I'm going to talk more about the Worksharp in another video that's coming up. So those are the three knives that I would suggest that you look at: the Ozark, the Civivi Elementum 2, and the Worksharp, which is around $130. So you have one at $10, $60, and $130, just depending upon what you want to have. Now to the thing that is a doorbuster and why I probably won't be using this or carrying this. There's no pocket clip, there's no key ring, and so there's no real easy way to carry this around. Can you put it in a fifth pocket? Yes, of course you can. But in any other pocket or pouch, it's going to move around. If it's in a pouch of any size, it's going to be a little bit harder to get to when like you need to get to it. You really can't put anything on it like a stringer so that you can find it quickly or put it in your pocket. When I carry this inside my pocket, it just goes all over inside my pocket, and that's just a little too cumbersome to get a hold of. Otherwise, this is a very nice EDC tool. This is the Victorinox Slim ALX. It is a knifeless tool, but more important to me, there's no hook on it, there's no clip on it, and so it's very hard to handle in a way that I would like to be able to handle it. So tell me what your thoughts are. Do you agree with me or disagree with me? Is this something that you're thinking about considering getting, or thinking about getting one of the other companion ones? Just let me know in the comments. This is Aku, EDC. I will see you in the future.